Demand Setup. From Setup page, navigate to Demand menu. It is Demand Measurement Cycle. Demand period can be set from 1 to 30 minutes. Let's set for 15 minutes. Then press OK. Demand method is a demand measurement technique. It could be auto or sliding window type or user type or real-time clock, also called as fixed window type. For RTC demand calculation method, it is important that you synchronize the timing of the demand controller with that of utility meter 2. Let's select RTC. Press OK. Your demand controller has the option of selecting different demand computing parameters: active power, apparent power, and three-phase current average. Please note that VARH is not the option for demand controlling, although you can view the demand computation in the meter display. Let's select VA, then press OK. Your demand controller has the ability to forecast the demand values well in advance. It follows complex and proven demand calculation algorithm to predict the demand and enable you to manage your load. Prediction demand interval could be 4 to 7 minutes if the demand interval is 15 minutes, and when the demand cycle is set for 30 minutes, the prediction demand could be 7 to 15 minutes. Prediction demand interval can be set from 1 to 30 minutes. Let's select 7 minutes. Then press OK. This innovative feature enables you to exclude some of the essential loads from the demand controlling option. That means demand is calculated for entire connected load in the system, but computation for controlling technique does not include the essential load factor. If you are unsure about the essential load factor, we recommend you to set the value to 0 or near to 0. Demand Controller gives you the option of generating comprehensive 19 levels of demand profiles. That means by end of the day or week or month, you would know the demand pattern, such as how many times specific demand values reached the particular level. This would enable you to select the reasonable demand value for optimizing your demand charges. Based on the CT ratio and PT ratio settings, this is the default value as recommended by the meter, and this could be changed to suit your expectation. L0 is the reference value or baseline, and there are +9 levels and -9 levels around this value. Let's select default value. Then press OK. Demand incremental step for +9 and -9 levels with reference to level 0 can be set through this option. The level and base reference can be changed once you have the data for a day or week. Let us set the default value. Press OK. Depending on the CT ratio and PT ratio settings, meter displays this value. Please study your connected load and billing demand values as recorded in utility meter for past 5 to 6 months and arrive to the reasonable demand level to enable the demand upper limit control relay. Whenever the demand reaches this set limit, the relay operates, and if it is connected to any of your load or feeders or non-essential loads and maintain this practice throughout the month, you would be able to optimize your maximum demand charges. For example, let us select 36 MW as upper limit. Then press OK. Once you are done with the setting for upper limit, next step is to set the lower limit values. The significance of this feature is to reconnect the load whenever the demand falls back below the lower limit range, and this could happen within the demand cycle itself. You can choose 10 to 99% of upper limit as lower limit values. Let's select 35 MW as a lower limit in this case. Then press OK. We strongly recommend you to take the advice from energy consultants or energy auditor for optimizing your demand charges in your plant. From Setup page, navigate to Demand menu. Your demand controller is equipped with advanced TOU setup feature together with basic setup. Some of the utility companies regulate their users to draw the power based on the season of the year and time of the day. If you want to control the demand without considering TOU regulations, basic option can be chosen. For TOU settings, please use ION setup, which is available free in Schneider Electric website. Please refer to TOU settings video. Let's select Basic. Press OK. After editing with these settings, press Back button 5. Meter will prompt for Save Changes. Press Yes button and the display go back to Setup page.